Sammy? What?
He's right behind.
Okay. Huh?
That'd be good.
She told us we could go in. It's her trailer. Sammy! This is the police department. If you're in here, you need to make yourself known. Alright. I don't think so. Sammy! Hey. Not yet, we're clearing the trailer. Look at that. You see that, right?
What? The bag?
Is that a bag or is that a vest? That's a vest.
Oh, okay.
Huh?
You clueless? There's nothing in here?
We need to lift this up. No, we need to lift this bed up. Cody, you got cover out there while we do this? Good. Shots fired, shots fired.
Come out with your hands up!
Come out with your hands up!
Come out with your hands up!
Come out with your hands up! Out there while we do this?
Yep.
Good. Shots fired!
All units 1033.
Come out with your hands up!
Come out with your hands up!
Come out with your hands up!
Come out with your hands up! Cody, you got cover out there while we do this?
Get out! Gun! Shots fired. Come out with your hands up!
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 I'm hit. We're stuck inside the trailer. I'm hit in the face.
Stay on here and just go.
We gotta get out.
Timothy, you need to come out with your hands up! Back out of the trailer. Back out of the trailer.
You all go first.
Go. I got you. Go. Lock, you're injured. Go. Back up.
Cover the trailer.